No, we are going to do even more with it. We are really going to tune it. For example, we will say, look, from our sticker bundle, which is water and UV resistant, we will also mark those. In this experiment, we're going to replicate the process using cold water, just as we did with the previous liquid. It's important to ensure that you mark everything clearly and precisely. By doing so, you will find that it becomes significantly easier to locate and identify all the necessary components and items later on. This methodical approach not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of errors or misplacement. Remember, organization is key to efficiency, and taking these extra steps now will pay off in the long run. So, take your time to label everything properly, and you will thank yourself later when everything is in its rightful place and easy to find. Our sanitary collector. Hot water at the top, always at the top, otherwise your hot water and cold water will warm up and we could get Legionella. So hot water from above, cold water from below, nicely marked with labels, everything indicated. Make sure to clearly label with the stickers what each pipe is. This way, we have clear markings. If something goes wrong, we can easily close the right valve. This is a collector with a large flow capacity, which means that the inner diameter of 20 mm ALUPEX is the same inner diameter as these valves. A good full flow. You can choose a 16 or 20 mm connection here, so you can always use this collector. Good flow, low resistance, and as much water at the taps as possible to ensure your calculations are correct. I always say 16 liters per minute for a 16 mm pipe. That's true, but you shouldn't have too much resistance along the way. With these taps, there is no more resistance. The connection nipple inside is an Allen key, and that angular Allen key has approximately the same inner diameter as this valve, so there is really no resistance. So, installation, 26 mm main pipe. Why did I choose 26? Then I can now explain the difference between the sanitary collector and the central heating collector. A sanitary collector has two plugs at the end, and a central heating collector has elbows and T's. This is the set we need for heating. Vent valve, drain valve with an end piece. We do not sell collectors with a vent valve. We always use the end piece. This way, we can sell one product for various applications, and that ultimately makes the price even better.